Are you thinking of grabbing a new tablet but not sure if you should wait for the latest release? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the iPad mini 7, why it could be worth the wait, and why it might not be. If you're stuck between snagging the iPad mini 6 now or holding out for the iPad mini 7, this video might just save you from some serious buyer's remorse. Let's jump in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Introducing the Enquiries X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Enquiries, charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at enquiries.co. Let's back to our video. All right, so let's start with the basics. Apple's tablet lineup has something for everyone, whether you're eyeing the powerhouse iPad Pro, the stylish iPad Air, or the budget-friendly base model. But then we have the iPad mini. This little guy is the perfect choice for those who value portability without sacrificing power. Now, the iPad mini 6, it's been pretty impressive. But wait, rumors are swirling that the iPad mini 7 is just around the corner. So, should you wait or just go ahead and pull the trigger now? Let's break it down. Timing is everything, right? So, here's the scoop. The iPad mini 7, this mini 7 didn't make an appearance at Apple's September event, but rumor has it, it could launch as early as October. In fact, the iPad mini 6 is starting to vanish from Apple stores, which is a huge clue that something new is coming. If you've got the patience, waiting a few more days for the iPad mini 7 could pay off. I mean, what's a little waiting when you're about to upgrade your tech game, right? Now for the fun part, the iPad mini 7 is rumored to pack a whole new processor. And we're not talking about a small bump here. Apple could jump from the A15 chip, which is found in the iPhone 13, all the way to the A17 Pro or even the A18 Bionic chip. In plain English, that means faster performance, better battery life, and some serious multitasking power. Basically, it's like squeezing a tiny but mighty beast into the palm of your hand. If you're someone who loves top-tier performance, especially in a smaller device, this could be the upgrade to wait for. Now let's talk money. The iPad mini has always been one of the more affordable options in Apple's lineup. And while the iPad mini 6 is still a solid choice, it's starting to show its age. It's been around since 2021. The iPad mini 7, on the other hand, might just bring cutting-edge features at a more reasonable price compared to the iPad Pro or iPad Air. If you're budget conscious, waiting for the Mini 7 could give you the best bang for your buck, new features without breaking the bank. Are you a fan of taking photos or FaceTime on your tablet? Then you might want to hit the pause button. Rumors suggest the iPad Mini 7 will have an upgraded camera system. While details are still under wraps, we know Apple rarely disappoints when it comes to camera improvements. It's kind of funny, right? Every year we ask the same question, should I buy now or wait? And every year Apple keeps us on the edge of our seats, yet here we are, still loyal, still curious. Gotta hand it to them, they've perfected the art of making us wait, but we always come back. Speaking of upgrades, whispers suggest the iPad mini 7 might come with a new modem for better connectivity. So if you're always on the move, streaming content, or hopping on Zoom meetings, this upgrade could mean fewer awkward buffering moments during your favorite shows. Say goodbye to lag. But let's be real for a second. Should you wait? Well, maybe not. If you need a tablet right now, the iPad mini 6 is still an excellent choice. It's got solid performance, a great display, and it's available right now, no waiting required. And here's a heads up, if you're hoping for a major design overhaul in the iPad mini 7, you might be disappointed. Rumors suggest the form factor won't change much. No OLED or 120Hz display either. If you're simply after a fresh design, it may not be worth the wait. Oh, and don't forget, while the iPad mini 7 could offer more features, Apple isn't exactly known for budget-friendly pricing. If you can score a sweet deal on the Mini 6, it could be a smarter move to save some cash and skip the hype. Of course, if you're open to exploring, there are plenty of other tablets out there, Samsung, Microsoft, and even other Apple models. One of these might better meet your current needs, especially if the iPad mini 7 doesn't deliver the upgrades you're looking for. So there you have it. Whether you're team wait or team buy now, the decision is yours. But we'd love to know, what are you planning to do? Will you wait for the iPad mini 7 or are you picking up the iPad mini 6 today? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more updates on Apple products and the latest tech news. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.